weather forecast from meteorologist Savannah Brito.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back and happy Wednesday. It was a quiet day out there today, but that does change as early as tonight into tomorrow morning. Temperatures, though, were warmest after midnight, falling through the day. We're at 37 right now in Rockford, same with DeKalb, 36 in Rochelle, 33 in Monroe, but 29 in Galena. Cloudy out there. We didn't see any hints of sunshine out there. That's going to continue to be the case at least up until Friday. We have to get through tomorrow's snowstorm, but then Friday some sunshine will return to our forecast, carrying over into the first half of our weekend as well. Winds have been gusty out there, up to 15 miles per hour in Sterling, 12 in Freeport, 16 in Monroe, and 16 also in Rochelle, 12 at the airport. These are current wind speeds, though. Gusts all day long have been stronger than that. That's going to continue to be the case tonight and then into tomorrow as well. So thick cloud cover, nothing showing up on radar yet, but the entire state line, almost the entire state line, is included in this winter storm warning. Lee and DeKalb counties only are under a winter weather advisory. Still snow going to fall in those areas, a couple inches, but the majority in the heavier snow, that's going to fall where this pink band is, which I'll show in just a minute. But timing this out, that does look to move in by about 5, 6, 7 in the morning, depending on where you are, and then we'll carry it into the mid to late morning. That's when the heaviest snow looks to move anyways, mid to late morning. And I do think there is going to be a sleet snow mix. The rain and the thunderstorms, that's all going to stay well south of here, but kind of just south of the Rockford area in southeastern portions, DeKalb County, Lee County, that'll kind of be a sleet snow mix, at least initially in the morning when temperatures are warmer, and then they are going to fall throughout the rest of the day. For the majority of the area, though, that is going to be focused on where that heavy band of snow is, kind of near Rockford, and then also northeastward towards Milwaukee, southwestward, then towards Sterling and areas like Savannah. I'll show where that heavier band is going to be focused on in just a minute. We'll talk about snow totals as well. Severe weather, that's all staying south and southeast of this area. That's going to be the case tomorrow. Today and tomorrow, it does include the southern tip of Illinois and then southeastward. But as far as snowfall totals go, this is the heavier band, this darkest shade of blue, so you can see the Rockford area included in that, and then stretching off towards Milwaukee, so northeast of Rockford, and then also as far southwest, just west of the Sterling, Illinois area. So 1 to 3 inches can be expected. That's for areas in DeKalb County, southern Lee County, where the least amount of snow is going to be focused on areas like Rochelle, Monroe, Freeport, Janesville, probably about 2 to 4 inches, where the heaviest band of snow in Rockford, that'll be located about 4 to 7 inches at the most, 7 I think being on the higher end of things. As far as impacts to travel goes, I don't think there'll be many due to the morning. There'll still be some impacts, but lighter areas of snow start to initially move in at that point in time. But as we get to the midday, around lunchtime, and then also for the evening hours, heavier snow is going to be moving into the area, and then at night, that's going to be when our wind gusts are still going to be fairly gusty, up to about 25 to 30 miles per hour through the afternoon and evening, and that's why that's going to cause some snow to possibly even blow back on previously treated roadways. As far as gusts go, though, right now they're around 30. We showed that sustained winds between about 15 and 20, but they are going to stay fairly windy overnight into tomorrow. We do have a northerly wind with gusts around about 25 to 30 miles per hour. I do think a couple areas could see about up to 35 miles per hour. And then once we get into Thursday night into Friday, that's when we'll see them calm down a little bit. But into Friday, those are expected to pick up once again to near about, I would say, 15 or so miles per hour. Tonight, though, temperatures falling to 28, not bad, mostly cloudy, but it is going to be a mild night, much better than what we're going to see the next couple of nights after that, specifically Thursday night into Friday. 29 tomorrow, snow showers. It will be heavy at times, but then that temperature is going to fall through the rest of the day. 10 degrees. That's our low heading into Friday. It could be a little colder, especially with wind chills with that snow cover that we do see laid down. 24 Friday, but then temperatures, Eric, are quick to rebound. We're back to the upper 30s by Saturday, the lower 40s by Sunday.